This has been one trip.
We were having a little get-together with the community group. Tequila tasting.
It's a bad Leroy.
We're at our first stop with our friends. First time all three of us have traveled together, so here we go. Hi, Mark.
Hi, Gail.
And there's Michelle and Mike and Toby and Murphy. Okay, what do you got to say to the folks?
This has been one trip already. 3.5 hours in, we're 100 miles.
Yeah, bad traffic. I-30, they shut it down for construction. Don't ask me why. That's the dumbest thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
They've been working on it for months.
And I'm not camera ready. You're not camera ready, I understand. Okay, this is nice. We were worried about it being too crowded with everybody being stuck, needing to go use the restroom or something. Woo! There's my babies! There's my babies! Oh! Hello, Howie! This is Howie, and this is Lucy! Alright. There's the Reddens, the Marlins, and the Fallahays. Here we go. Now I've got my mic on. This is super nice. I'll let you know where we are in the caption below. Well, this is when you know you're in Texas, for sure. Nice.
First time we came in, it had us turn right back there before 270 and go up and around and eliminate some areas, some stuff. But I think there was some issues with that route.
There was.
That's the route that we separated, and y'all went that way and we went this way. Is what I remember.
Yeah, something like that maybe.
Oh, Gray's right behind me.
Yeah, I see him.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left.
In
3/4 of a mile, turn left
on Carpenter Dam Road.
Carpenter Dam Road. Holy cow.
Carpenter Dam Road.
In 1 mile, arrive at Catherine's Landing entrance.
You definitely need to get your prescription
On the
checked.
left.
Okay, Earl Grey. Zip lines, ice, propane, firewood, supplies. Okay.
Zip lines! Yee! Zip lines!
Isn't this where we did zip lining?
Yeah.
This is where we did zip lining.
Yeah,
We're going to do it again.
Then it's got a picture of Michelle right here. RV staging.
There's supposed to be a guy out here somewhere. Let's go see what the community group is doing. Let's see if you like it.
No. It's not a whole lot, Jeff. It's just
No, I'm good. I'm good, Judy. I'm good.
Yeah.
You like it?
It's very.
Okay, which one are you doing?
So this one is the intense oak,
That's intense oak, okay.
and this one's the onion.
Ah, nice.
This is just a tasting. And then,
Daytona Speedway.
do you want a little?
It came out.
Okay, here we go. What?
Okay, you ready?
Are you ready?
Oh, wait,
Yeah.
okay. Let's. No, wait. That's kind of a couple thing.
Yeah.
We better not do that.
Get the wrong first. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, here we go.
See what's hot. That's good.
That is good.
Told you.
I like it.
I told you. And what may I interest you in? In a dark intense oak, tequila, an añejo?
That is really good, isn't it?
It's very tasty. You know, I could sip this once in a while.
could.
Yeah.
About 4 years ago, some great friends of ours contacted us about the solar eclipse. Of course, back then it was kind of like, well, whatever. I didn't know what I was getting myself into. But thank you, Dan and Judy. It was fantastic. Catherine's Landing had a lot of activities for us, a lot of perks. For example, they had some live music 3 nights. They gave us t-shirts. Masseuses came and food trucks, and it was great. Plus, they ordered great weather for us. How about that? So anyway, here's a little bit of what we listened to as far as the bands go.
I wanna live, I wanna give. I've been a miner for the heart of gold.
Hello. Well, hey. I love taking pictures of unique buildings, and Hot Springs does have its uniqueness. Love this town. Unfortunately, we didn't have time to do much because of all the people. They were having their Eclipse festival, of course. But we did get to eat lunch at Rocky's Corner. Fantastic, delicious pizza. Highly recommend it. Then we did have a little bit of time to drive up to the tower, although we didn't get to go inside the tower because the line was too long and we had other things that we needed to do. But the drive up there and back was fantastic. They do have walking trails all around. It is in the Hot Springs National Park as well. We've stayed at Catherine's Landing, I think about 3 times actually. Fantastic park, highly recommend it. As you can see, they have different accommodations. We stayed in lot 115. It's a beautiful lot. You can also rent several things at Catherine's Landing. There are lots of things to see and do in the town of Hot Springs. If you haven't been there before, you need to put it on your bucket list. It's a very, very nice, beautiful town. And yes, we even saw Bigfoot. When you watch this video, I will have had my reconstruction surgery. So I wanted to leave this video with a little funny. I love Judy to death, and she was giving Mark a little bit of a hard time.
So Daniel had a cold. It was just a cold. I'll tell you, first day, second day I was down. Third morning, he goes, "Buck up, Buttercup. It's over. Time to be over."
Time to get on the track.
He's not a very good caregiver either, Mark.
Well,
We had a fantastic time watching the solar eclipse while we were at Catherine's Landing. I did that video last time, so I will put a link to it right up here or right up there, wherever it is, and then also in the description below. So check it out. It's not just about the solar eclipse, it's about what we did that entire day. So watch it. Have a great one, and remember, not just a great one, have the best day ever. Bye for now. See you next time.